In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use nodes in N8N. We'll build a simple workflow together so you can see how nodes are added, searched, configured, and tested. By the end, you'll be comfortable moving from a blank canvas to a working automation using a trigger and an AI node. Start on the Workflows page in your N8N workspace. This is your home base for creating and managing automations. Create a new workflow to open a fresh canvas. You'll see an empty grid with controls along the edges and a plus icon that lets you start adding building blocks. Click the plus sign on the canvas to add your first node. A panel opens where you can search for exactly what you need. Nodes are the actions and triggers that make your automation run. So this is where you decide how the workflow starts and what it will do next. Type to search for a trigger. A great starting point while you're building is the manual trigger. This lets you run the workflow instantly from the editor, which is perfect for testing and iteration. You'll also notice other trigger types, like triggers that run on an app event or on a schedule. App event triggers start when something happens in another service, and schedule triggers fire at specific times. For now, choose the manual trigger so we can focus on building and testing quickly. Select the manual trigger. It appears on the canvas and becomes the first step in your workflow. Next, click the plus sign again to add another node. When you add a node from an existing one, N8N automatically chains them together, so your data will flow from the trigger to the next step without extra wiring. After clicking plus, you'll see the node selector again. This is where you decide what happens next. Use the search here to narrow down categories and node types. Let's explore the AI category. Click AI, then select AI Agent. This node can handle prompts, generate responses, and power intelligent steps in your workflow. With the AI agent node selected, it's time to set it up. First, choose the source for the prompt, also shown as the user message. You can pick from different sources, but for a straightforward setup, choose a simple user message so you can type the prompt directly. This keeps the configuration clear while you're learning. Enter your prompt in the user message field. Think of this like the instruction you want the AI to follow. Be specific so the output is useful. For example, you might describe the format or tone you expect. If your downstream steps rely on structured data, turn on Require Specific Output Format. This setting helps AN parse the result consistently, reducing the chance of unpredictable responses. It's especially helpful if you plan to send the AI's output into later nodes that expect a particular structure. Enable Fallback Model to make your workflow more resilient. If your primary model is unavailable, the fallback keeps the step running with an alternative. This is a simple way to add reliability without changing your overall design. Open the Options section to fine-tune behavior. Here you might adjust parameters that affect response length, creativity, or other advanced controls. You don't need to change these to get started, but it's useful to know where they are when you want more precision. With the node configured, run a quick test. Click Execute step on the AI agent node. This executes just that node using the incoming data, which in our case is triggered manually. You'll see the result appear in the output panel. Review the response to confirm it matches your prompt and chosen format. If it doesn't, refine your message or adjust the output format requirement and test again. Iterating at this stage makes the rest of your workflow much smoother. At this point, you've used the Workflows page, created a workflow, added a manual trigger, added a second node, searched and selected from categories, configured the AI agent's prompt, required a specific output format, enabled a fallback model, explored options, and executed the step to validate your setup. That's the core of working with nodes in N. Add, search, choose, configure, and test. Keep building from here and you'll have powerful automations up and running in no time.